Hi folks, this is All the Fruit. I'm on the beautiful island of Tenerife in the early spring after the rainiest winter for 4 or 5 years. Well, but if you look around, actually it looks rather like a dry, scorching summer. It looks like mid-August somewhere in a semi-desert. Well, we had the most rainfall in winter on the Canary Islands for several years, starting in November, then in December, then in January, not much more in February, but still the south of the Canary Islands did not get a lot of rain. Basically, yeah, we had a couple rainstorms which came from the south, like tropical monsoons, which actually brought a lot of rain, for example to the southwest of Gran Canaria, I guess also to the southwest of Tenerife. Then of course we had the trade winds, which brought the usual rain from the north, but from the northeast, mostly in Tenerife and Gran Canaria. But here in the south, in this case on the southwest of the island of Tenerife, yeah, even the strongest rainfalls in 5 years are not really enough. Okay, yeah, the spurges got some leaves. The goji berries in the background, they even produced a couple fruit. This is actually one of the better shrubs. Most shrubs are like 90% or even 100% dead. Big goji berry shrub. Oh look, even a couple goji berries. But now, around the 10th of March, it's already losing its leaves and most of the goji berries are underdeveloped. And look at the cacti. This is Opuntia dillenii. Opuntia dillenii, I would say, is the most drought-resistant cactus we have here. Well, all those cacti are introduced, of course, they are not native, but it's the most drought-resistant one. Here you will not find Opuntia ficus-indica or Opuntia tomentosa, which are the two other commonly introduced cacti in the Canary Islands, and probably also none of the more rare species. Well, those things which look like columnar cacti are actually spurges. This is Euphorbia. This is Euphorbia canariensis. And if you look at the cacti, well, this one here, for example, look, some of it is really fresh. Juicy and succulent, that's why those are called succulents. After heavy rains they can suck in a lot of water and become succulent like a juicy fruit. It even produces new pods. Maybe even some fruit will survive on this, but only in this part of the plant. The other parts of the plant, look at that, those are dying. Even the winter rain did not save them. Maybe a couple of them could survive if we get some more rains in spring, which is not very probable. But a lot of them already dead or dying. Look at that. This is just after the heaviest rains we had here in 5 years or so. Just a part of this cactus plant survived, other parts died. If you look at this one here, it is dead. Maybe a couple pots will survive, but I don't really think so. Here those, yeah, parts of them are alive, parts are dead. Oh yeah, here, look, this one I declared dead actually. One small part survived. This one here looks like it's dying. And this one here, pretty much the same. Dying or even dead. This part is dead. This part died probably even before the heavy rains. And this part is also kind of dying. So yeah, we had some heavy rains here. I showed you pictures of half full artificial lakes. Meanwhile, they must be completely full because there were some heavy rains even after those videos. I showed you videos of juicy green pastures, but yeah, for the south of the islands where the tourists are concentrated, that where also a lot of the banana production is concentrated, this was not enough. As you can see, even from the cacti and from other drought resistant things like the gojis and the spurges. I will not try the cactus fruit here. Of course, Opuntia dillenii has edible fruit, but here they are not too good right now. So folks, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful island of Tenerife. And of course, don't forget about the drought problems of the Canary Islands and many other parts of the world. And yeah, of course, also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and so on.